Capital Markets Basics. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Digital Disruption Technologies and Academy. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of capital markets. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the world of finance, understanding the basics of capital markets is crucial. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly are capital markets? Well, they're the backbone of our global financial system, providing a platform for buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, and other securities. There are two main types of capital markets, primary and secondary. The primary market is where new securities are issued and sold for the first time, often through initial public offerings, IPOs. On the other hand, the secondary market is where existing securities are bought and sold among investors. Now, let's talk about where all this action takes place, the stock exchange. This is like the bustling marketplace where buyers and sellers come together. Famous examples include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. Participants in the capital markets include investors, issuers, brokers, and regulators. Investors, like you and me, buy and sell securities. Issuers are the companies or entities issuing new securities to raise capital. Brokers facilitate the transactions, and regulators ensure fair and transparent dealings. Now, let's touch on something you might have heard about: bull and bear markets. A bull market is characterized by rising prices, optimism, and a strong economy. In contrast, a bear market sees falling prices, pessimism, and economic downturns. Understanding these trends is key for investors. Of course, with great opportunity comes great risk. It's important to remember that investing in the capital markets involves both risks and rewards. Diversification, research, and a long-term perspective can help manage these risks effectively. And there you have it, a brief overview of capital markets basics. We've just scratched the surface, so if you're hungry for more, stay tuned for our upcoming videos diving deeper into various aspects of finance and investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing!